Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite things to make. It is curry chicken with spaghetti instead of rice. So I'm starting off by washing my chicken. Yes, I washed my chicken with some vinegar. I didn't have any lime, but I did use a little bit of lemon juice. And then I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning. I just like these seasoning. I like onion powder a lot, garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, some all-purpose chicken seasoning, and I think I put a little bit of complete seasoning as well. As you guys can see, I'm also using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Yes, I do use sometimes the chicken with the bone in it, but if I'm being lazy and want something quick, then I will use the boneless chicken thighs, and it works really good with like the spaghetti. So that is what I'm using today, but you can use whatever chicken you would like to use, whatever part you like to use. I'm also adding all my other seasoning like onions, bell peppers, thyme, black pepper. I think that was all I added. I also bring my thyme from Jamaica, about this entire bag. We dry it first, and then that way I could travel with it. So yeah, I'm excited to have my fresh, freshly grown thyme from Jamaica. So I let that marinate for about an hour, and now I'm ready to start cooking. So I have my Dutch pot heated up with my oil, and I'm going to use my Beta Pack curry powder. It is the best curry powder, and it's the only one I use right now. So I'm just going to add that to my hot oil. We call that burning the curry. So yeah, I'm burning the curry, let that marinate. I use a generous amount. I don't measure it, but yeah, now I'm just ready to add my chicken to the pot. So yeah. So now I just let that cook for a few minutes on this side. Then I flipped it over and let it cook on the other side. And then I cover the pot and just let it continue to cook on its own. The pot will make its own like water to add to it. So that will help it cook, which is the reason why we use this pot. So while that is cooking, I'm going to get my potatoes ready. I'm using some red skin potatoes. I didn't use too many because I'm doing the pasta, and that is carbs as well. So, but I cannot cook curry chicken and not put a little bit of Irish in there. So yeah, I'm just using 3. I'm just going to peel it, wash it, and cut it up in cubes. All right, so now we're checking on it. Oh, look how beautiful that looks. Oh, just so rich in color. It's cooking nicely. I'm just gonna, give it a nice stir, and I'm gonna add a little bit more water so it can cook some more. You want to make sure that chicken is well cooked, okay? So yeah, that's just what I'm doing here. What I love about this meal is that it is quick because you're multitasking. You can be doing more than one things at the same time. So I already started my pasta. I thought I hit record on the camera, but it wasn't recording. But I let my water boil. I add some salt, a little bit of garlic powder. I like a little bit of complete seasoning in the pasta too. It just gives it a nice flavor. So I'm just using regular thick spaghetti. So just like that, guys, everything is done. I already drained my pasta. I love this pot because it just locks into place and you can drain it. Look at the chicken. It is nice and cooked. The boneless chicken thighs cook very easily, so it doesn't take that long. The potatoes are all cooked as well. So now I'm just going to start combining everything. It's up to you which pot you want to combine it in. I was trying to do this with one hand while holding the camera and trying to scoop it into that. But I end up just picking it up and put it in there. So I'm just going to give it a nice stir to get everything all nicely mixed together. All right, you guys, I am at the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm just gonna plate this so I can eat it. I enjoyed it. It is one of my favorite things to make, and I love making curry chicken with spaghetti when I'm tired of eating rice. So yeah, hopefully you guys find this as satisfying as I found it. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.